Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make marlin fish and vegetable Thai curry. This is a yellow Thai curry with a few variations of my own. Let's look at the ingredients for making the Thai paste. I will be making more paste than is needed for this recipe and will be using it for another recipe. I will need a bunch of fresh coriander leaves, 4 stalks of lemongrass, 1 garlic bulb, a handful of mixed finger chilies, some raw turmeric, some galangal or Thai ginger, some ordinary ginger, 10 to 12 shallots, the juice of 2 limes, a bit of shrimp paste. Here I have chopped up all the ingredients for blending. Let's add them one by one into the blender. Make sure that the blender has a bit of water added to it so that we can blend smoothly. It also helps if you cut the pieces into small chunks. Add the lime juice and the shrimp paste into the blender. Let's blend everything together. Add a bit more water if it is needed. And that's the Thai paste done. Here I have 4 boneless marlin steaks. Marlin is a game fish. I'm going to chop the steaks into smaller pieces for this recipe. That's the size I'm going for. Here I have some sliced red pepper, monchtu and baby corn. We will also need some palm sugar and coconut cream for this recipe. Heat some oil in a large pan. Add the Thai paste into it. We are now going to cook the Thai paste on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add some salt into the pot. Now we will keep on stirring and cooking the paste till all the water starts evaporating and the oil starts to surface. Add the palm sugar and blend it in well. As you can see, the water has totally evaporated from the paste and the paste is ready. We won't be using all the paste, only around 4 to 5 tablespoons of it for this recipe. That's the paste done. Heat some oil in a pot. Now we will fry the marlin fish pieces lightly in the oil. I have seasoned the marlin pieces with a bit of salt and black pepper. Make sure you turn the fish over from time to time and sear them lightly on all the sides. and then take them out. That's the marlin pieces seared. In the same pot, add 5 heaped tablespoons of the thigh paste and fry it on high heat for 2 minutes. Then add the vegetables into the pot and fry them on high heat for another few minutes. Then add coconut cream into the pot. Do it in 2 stages like I'm doing here. Mix the cream in. Till everything is well blended. And now it's time to add the marlin fish pieces into the pot. Give everything a mix. Be gentle while doing it. Then add some water into the pot. And give it a stir. Bring the water to a boil. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, take the lid off and check to see if it's all nice and tender, and it is. So our dish is ready. Let's plate up this beautiful, flavorful and colorful Thai marlin and vegetable curry. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander and serve it with steamed or boiled rice or with noodles. Marlin fish and vegetable Thai curry is my own recipe and is very fragrant and bursting with the flavors of Southeast Asia. You can choose to make this curry with some other boneless white fish if marlin is not available for you. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!